There's a formula so powerful that Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. You already know it. You've just never seen what it actually does over enough time. Compound interest is simple. You earn returns not just on what you put in, but on the returns you already earned. Simple interest pays you on the original amount, forever. Compound interest pays you on the original amount, plus every gain that came before it. That difference sounds small. Over decades, it's the entire game. Here's a shortcut worth remembering. Divide 72 by your annual return rate, and you get roughly how many years it takes your money to double. At 6%, that's 12 years. At 12%, that's 6 years. Same money, half the weight. This one piece of napkin math explains why the interest rate you accept quietly matters more than almost any other financial decision you'll make. Here's the part that should genuinely bother you. For the first several years, compound growth looks almost identical to doing nothing. The curve is nearly flat. Most people quit right there, assuming it isn't working. But the real growth doesn't happen at the start. It happens at the end, when decades of quiet compounding suddenly bend the line upward, almost vertically. The people who get rich from this aren't smarter. They're the ones who didn't quit during the boring, flat part. Late in that curve, something strange happens. The money you contributed becomes a small fraction of your total balance. Most of what you have isn't money you saved. It's money your money made, while you were doing something else entirely. And here's the number that should actually change your behavior. Waiting just 10 extra years to start can cut your final balance by more than half, even if you contribute the exact same total amount just later. Time isn't a minor variable in this formula. It's the dominant one. So how do you actually use this? Start before you feel ready, because the first years matter more for time than for money. Automate the contribution so you never have to rely on discipline. And then, genuinely the hardest part, do nothing. Don't check it daily. Don't panic during the flat part. The formula doesn't need your help. It just needs your patience. Compound interest isn't a secret or a trick. It's math, running quietly in the background for as long as you let it. The only real mistake is interrupting it, or worse, never starting it at all.